Okay, kids, here's another 10-point question. Now, this one looks like, oh my God, there's so much stuff going on here. Okay, let's see. What do we have to do here? Your school wants to freshen up a playground structure. The rooftop of the structure needs to be painted. So just the rooftop needs to be painted, and the interior of the slide needs to be waxed. Okay, you gotta wax it. The diagram below represents the playground structure. So you have this pyramid, a prism here. It's a triangular prism. Let's say that someone. Triangular prism. And so it's a rectangle, and two triangles. That has to be painted. So we have all the measurements, 6 meters, 1.8 meters, and the length here is 12 meters. Okay, everything is in meters. That's good. Okay, what else does it say here? The roof is the shape of a triangular prism. The height of the triangular face is 1.8. Okay, that's in the picture. The paint. So we got to paint this. Has to be painted. Okay, so we got to paint the roof, and this has to be waxed. Right, the slide has to be waxed. So, okay. The interior of the slide is a half cylinder. And the cost of the wax can be obtained over here. So what's the cost of the wax? Let's see. Let's figure that out so that we don't have to do it later. So let's see. What does this table tell us? This is the cost and this is the area. So per meter squared, let's say for 1 meter squared, it's, I can just look at right here. It's $16.80 for 1 meter squared. This is, what type of graph is this? It's a straight line going through the origin. This is a proportional situation, proportional, or you want to call it direct variation, direct, which means you can cross multiply. Remember that? You can cross multiply here. So $16.80 for 1 square meter. So I can just write that over here right away. $16.80 per square meter, per meter squared. Now, this boils down to finding the areas of these two things. Let's work with the roof first. So the area of the roof is 2 triangles, so area of roof. I always write it out like this. So the area of the roof is 2 rectangles, plus 2 triangles, like that. And we know how to find the area of a rectangle. We know how to find the area of a triangle. So let's do that. Let's see the area. So it's 2 rectangles. And what's the area of this rectangle here? It's 12 meters by 3.5 meters. 12 by 3.5. And there's 2 of them. So it's 12 meters. 12 meters times 3.5 meters plus the 2 triangles. So it's area of a triangle, base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. That's 6 times 1.8 divided by 2. So it's 6 meters times 1.8 meters divided by 2. And there's 2 of them. So these 2's will cancel out. So let's calculate all of this. So that's 12 times 3.5. Oops. Go back. 12 times 3.5 equals, that's 42 times 2, 84 meters squared. 84 meters squared for 2 rectangles. Plus, let's cancel out these 2 on top, 2 on the bottom cancel out. So it's 6 times 1.8. 6 times 1.8 equals 10.8 meters squared. 10.8 meters squared plus 84, that's 94.8 meters squared. And let's multiply that by the cost of the paint. So we found the total cost of paint was $3.50 per meter squared. So times 350, and you get a total for the paint, 94.8. 94.8 times 350 equals $331.80. $331. That's $331.80. Now let's see if we can do it over here. We can find the area of the cylinder. This is just a cylinder. It's half the lateral area. We're not waxing the circles. It's just half the lateral area. So the lateral area of a circle, remember, it's the circumference 2 pi r times the length or the height. But we're dividing it by 2. We only want half of it. So again, the 2's cancel out here. 2's cancel out. So the lateral area is going to be circumference times height divided by 2, because I only have half. And I don't have to worry about the top and the bottom pi r squared, the two circles, because I'm not putting wax on this circle here. There's no circle there. So it's just pi. What's the radius? Well, they tell me the diameter is 1.5. Let's just make sure that's right. Diameter is 1.5 over here. So that means the radius is half of that, which is 0.75 meters. So pi r, and the length of it is, what is it? 6.3 meters. 6.3 meters. So this is basically a rectangle that's been, curved. So you can think of it as length times width. So what was 6.3 meters? 6.3 meters. So the lateral area is going to be, let's work that out. So 0.75. Let's get this over here. Okay, cancel. 0.75 times 6.3 equals meter squared times pi times the pi button equals 14.84. Let's round it off to 14.84 meters squared. And let's multiply that by the price, which was $16.8. And what do we get? Times 16.8 equals 249.38. 249.38. 249.38 and now we add them up for the total. The total is going to be these two, the wax plus the paint. And what do we get? 249 plus 331.88 equals 581.18. $581.18. And that's our answer. So you might want to round this off to 95 because you can't buy a 0.8 meters squared of paint, or that would be acceptable. If you round this off to 15 or round this off to 95 and you get a slightly different answer, that would be okay.